Ever wondered how an LPG or liquefied petroleum gas meter is installed? Well, strap in, because we're about to explore the step-by-step process. But remember, this is a task for the professionals. Gas-related installations are no joking matter, and improper installation can lead to serious risks, including gas leaks and even explosions. So let's leave it to the pros, shall we? First things first, permits. It's crucial to check with local authorities to determine if any permits are required for the installation of an LPG gas meter. Paperwork isn't the most exciting part of any job, but it's a necessary one. Next comes selecting the perfect spot for the gas meter. This is usually an outdoor location, mounted on a wall, and in a well-ventilated area. It's important to adhere to local regulations and safety guidelines when choosing this location. Once the perfect spot is found, it's time to prepare the installation site. This means clearing the area and removing any potential obstacles. Now it's time to connect to the gas source. The gas meter needs to be securely connected to the existing gas supply line with the appropriate fittings. After that, a mounting bracket is installed to securely hold the gas meter. It's important to ensure it's level and securely attached. Then a shutoff valve is installed. This valve is crucial, allowing for easy maintenance or an emergency shutoff. Next up is connecting the piping. The gas meter is connected to the piping system using approved materials and techniques. Each connection must be properly tightened and sealed to prevent any gas leaks. Now comes the moment of truth, leak testing. Every connection is thoroughly tested using an approved gas leak detector solution. Any leaks found must be addressed immediately. Once the installation is complete and leak-free, it's time to secure the gas meter and all connections. This helps to prevent any tampering. The final step is a thorough inspection by the relevant authorities or gas utility company. This is to ensure the installation complies with all safety regulations. Remember, always consult with local authorities, gas utility companies, and adhere to national and local codes and regulations when installing an LPG gas meter. This information is a general guide and should not substitute for professional expertise in gas-related installations. It's all about safety first, folks, so leave it to the experts and enjoy the benefits of a well-installed LPG gas meter.